Most men believe attraction has an expiration date, that once youth fades, interest fades with it. No one says it directly, you just feel it. Less attention, fewer compliments, more silence. So men assume the verdict is final. But here's the quiet truth. Attraction doesn't disappear with age. It changes shape. And many older men don't realize they become more attractive because the signals are no longer loud or obvious. They're subtle, they're psychological, and they're rooted in presence, not appearance. Let's talk about the signs most men miss. Sign 1. People take you seriously without you asking for it. You don't raise your voice to be heard. You don't interrupt. You don't perform. When you speak, people pause. When you stop, they reflect. That's not accidental. That's presence earned through time, experience, and restraint. Younger men try to look confident. Older men simply are. And that difference is immediately felt. Sign 2, women feel calm around you. Not flirtatious right away, not defensive, not guarded. Calm, they speak freely. They soften their tone. They stay longer than planned. This isn't about looks, it's about safety. You're not pushing, you're not pulling. You're not trying to extract anything. And in a world full of men who want something, that calm is rare. And rarity creates attraction. Sign 3, you're rarely challenged or tested. No power games, no constant pushback, no subtle disrespect. Disagreements with you are careful, measured, because something about you says, I don't need to win, and I won't tolerate nonsense. That's authority. Men who've lived long enough don't posture. They don't threaten. They don't have to. Sign 4. You're called intimidating or hard to read. This isn't a flaw. It means you don't over-explain. You don't overshare. You don't emotionally spill for approval. You reveal yourself slowly, if at all. Mystery doesn't fade with age. It deepens, and depth is far more compelling than charm. Sign 5. Compliments become subtle. People stop saying, you're handsome. Instead, they say things like, you have a calm energy. You feel grounded. There's something solid about you. These aren't consolation prizes. They're evolved signals. Attraction matures the same way people do, from surface to substance. Sign 6. You don't compete with younger men. You don't chase youth. You don't try to reclaim anything. You move at your own pace. That sends a powerful message. You've already lived. You know what matters. And more importantly, you know what doesn't. Men who don't compete are impossible to intimidate. Sign 7. People want your perspective. They ask about your experiences, your outlook, your past. Not because you boast, but because you don't. You speak plainly, you listen fully, you don't exaggerate. That quiet confidence signals wisdom, and wisdom is deeply attractive, especially when it's unforced. Sign 8. You're comfortable walking away. This is the most important sign. You don't chase attention. You don't cling. You don't negotiate your self-respect. You're fine being alone. That willingness to walk away creates gravity, especially in age gap dynamics, because the man who doesn't need is the man people feel. Why do older men miss these signs? Because society teaches men that attraction is loud, compliments, pursuit, validation. But mature attraction is quiet. It shows up in respect, in relaxed conversations, in people leaning in without realizing why. If you're not seeing obvious signals, it doesn't mean you've lost value. It means the language changed. The truth most men never hear. If you don't feel attractive anymore, it's not because you declined. It's because attraction moved from appearance to presence, from excitement to stability, from noise to certainty. And men who understand this stop chasing proof. They simply carry it. If you're an older man who feels overlooked, understand this. You're not invisible. You're just no longer obvious. And there's a difference. If this resonated, subscribe for more honest perspectives like this. And if you know a man quietly questioning his value, share this with him. Sometimes clarity arrives exactly when it's needed.